In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Whimsical. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone who's just starting out, understanding how to effectively utilize Whimsical's tools can really elevate your projects. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to visit the Whimsical website. Once you're there, navigate to the login page. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, just type in whimsical.com in your browser's address bar. You'll see the option to log in with Google on the main page. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be prompted to select your Google account. If your device is already connected to your Google account, you'll see it here. Simply choose the account you wish to use, and you'll be smoothly logged into your Whimsical dashboard. It's fast, efficient, and integrates all your work seamlessly. With that done, it's time to open your board. Once logged in, you'll land on your workspace. Here, you should see all your projects displayed. Locate the board you want to work on and open it. This board is your creative playground and where you'll be adding those shapes. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a panel filled with tools to aid your designing process. Look carefully and find the plus icon that's labeled as All Tools. Clicking this icon will present a range of options and tools that Whimsical offers. It's like opening up a treasure trove of possibilities that can enhance your visuals. Next, you'll want to focus on diagram shapes. This is an essential step, as the diagram shapes are the building blocks for whatever project you're working on. So in the search bar, type diagram shapes and look for the relevant option. It's really that simple. Once you click on it, the range of shapes will appear. Now that you've accessed the shapes, it's time to select the one that fits your needs. Whimsical offers a variety of shapes, catering to everything from flowcharts to brainstorming sessions. Browse through them, and when you see something that's just right for your project, give it a click. Once you've chosen your shape, the final step is to add it to your workspace. Simply drag the selected shape onto your board. Adjust its size and position to fit your layout, and there you have it. You've successfully added a shape to your Whimsical board. And that's it! By following these straightforward steps, you've harnessed another powerful feature in Whimsical. Be sure to explore the other tools and shapes available, as they can bring a whole new dimension to your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.